I'm just a little girl with a big attitude. And if you like my style and you like my mood, you could kiss me and it could be fun. But please don't tell me you're falling in love. It's just that I bet boys like you.
It's important to draw wisdom from many different places. If we take it from only one place, it becomes rigid and stale. Understanding others, the other elements, and the other nations will help you become whole.
We were the perfect love song that you would hear on a Sunday radio. You did all the right things to make me fall in love with the boy that
My Mega auntie is sexy. Oh, I appreciate every morning. Gratitude.
How romantic was the boy that told her like this, baby, that was just your hit and run. We were dancing all around till we saw the sun. And I know this isn't right, and I shouldn't pick a fight, but I was just your hit and run. Telling all my friends that you were the one. We were calling all night long till our eyes were tired. And I know you had my heart, trying not to fall apart, but I was just.
So we got this parcel from Mahindra Racing because we did a reel that will go and check out on the Sizzler's channel, and there we got this parcel because they have this deal that if you will make the better dance videos on the song and the best one will give some parcel or something. And this is the first thing we have ever received that. Like as it
from the Instagram platform.
Yes, it feels like influencer vibes. Let's unbox this.
This is the cover. Let's see.
Let's see it. Where should I open this? Okay, you open this. What is this?
Let's see. You said something chocolate.
Wait. Okay, Mahindra. Open this.
Can I?
Yeah. We got non-plastic toothbrush,
and
this is amazing. Like
we got
right?
toothpaste tablets.
And toothpaste tablets. Can you see that? What is this? A soap. Okay. We got this thing,
bag,
a cap. And and a stuffed toy. It's a teddy. And this is the best thing. And the toothbrush is also. It's not plastic.
Okay, so we got this cap.
Where it?
It's a Mahindra cap. This is so big.
Oh, okay. We got a pen too. So that was it. We just wanted to share this moment. And this is the first thing ever happened to us. So yeah, thank you.
Relatively scary.
I'm just a little girl with a big attitude, and if you like my style and you like my mood, you can kiss me and it could be fun, but please don't tell me you're falling in love. It's just that I've been boys like you before. You're insecure and you always want more.